Hello, and welcome to ProctorU. Please have your photo ID ready. All programs on your computer will need to be closed, unless they are an allowed resource for the exam. Your computer's display settings will also be checked to ensure that duplicate displays are not being used, as this is not permitted. In the event that you experience technical issues with your system or network, we will provide you with personalized, expert technical support to help you get connected. Your proctor will need to see the physical screen of your computer, so please have a mirror or cell phone ready. This will be used to show the proctor around the edges of the screen. CDs, glasses, compact mirrors, or bread toasters will not be accepted for the monitor scan. Your work area needs to be clear of any clutter or materials that are not permitted for your exam. This includes the work area, the floor underneath your work area, and the walls. Your testing environment also needs to be in a private location, preferably at home, with no one else in the room. Public and outside locations are not permitted. The area should be well lit so your proctor can see you clearly. Your proctor will ask for a 6-point camera pan of the testing environment. This includes a slow pan of all walls in the room, the desk or table, and the floor around the work area. If you are using an external camera, you will slowly rotate the camera and pause at each wall for 2 seconds before slowly rotating to the next. If you are on a laptop, you will simply pick it up and follow the same instructions. You will be asked to show your cell phone and put it away before the exam is started. You will also be asked to remove any smartwatches or tablets. You will need to stay in view of the camera at all times during the exam. Your proctor needs to see you from, at minimum, chin to forehead during the entire exam. The allotted time for your exam does not begin until the startup process has been completed and your proctor has unlocked the exam. Please do not be alarmed if your proctor changes during the exam session. This will not disrupt your exam and it will continue to be proctored for its duration. After notifying your proctor that your exam is finished and the logout process is complete, there will be a short survey that follows. Please take the time to fill that out, as your feedback is very much appreciated. Thank you for using ProctorU and good luck on your exam.